that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Could wake up and make up and play dumb, pretending that I need a boy who's gonna treat me like a toy.
Hello guys, happy Saturday. Yeah, today is a Saturday, so I going outside. So I just walking here in the park. Yeah, going to Boulevard guys actually. Yeah, I like to walking, getting a fresh air. So that's the park. Hello guys, just walking on Boulevard. Just getting a fresh air. Hello guys, it is sunny here. It's beautiful. Just exercise walking guys, because it's very boring. It's beautiful guys. I'm here at Boulevard walking. Hello guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to our channel.
I'm here at Boulevard guys. It's you know, just having a talking here, walking, getting a fresh air. So we are here now. We just meet again, Jen.
Hi. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, guys.
What's the name of your channel? What's the name of your channel?
John and Jen.
Yeah, John and Jen.
I woke up this morning, feeling the sun on my face. I knew it was gonna be a good day, I could just feel the pace. Got out of bed, brushed my teeth, and put on my favorite jeans. I was ready to take on the world, or at least it seemed. Cause I'm feeling good, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling like I can do anything. I'm gonna dance all night, I'm gonna sing all day, I'm gonna make the most of this beautiful day. I walked outside, the air was fresh and clean. I took a deep
Also, hello guys. This day I'm gonna start to cook the chicken stomach. You know the stomach. Yes, I just marinate the stomach for soy sauce, spices, salt, yeah, and then I mix. Then now it is coming cook. Yeah, it looks like delicious, right? It is yummy, guys. Yeah, you try to cook that, guys, when you visit Philippines. So you try the taste. What is the taste? Very delicious. Yeah, let's eat. Yeah, it looks very delicious. They have paper and with rice, you know. A Filipino is always to starving the rice. Yeah, very delicious and yummy. Bye bye, guys.